Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle, Assistant Professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am here to discuss about one of the important topic of entrepreneurship, that is government measures in promoting entrepreneurship. This is one small part of role of central and state government in promoting entrepreneurship. Means what are the different measures are there which are you know uh, implemented by government in promoting entrepreneurship. So in this video we are going to learn that. We'll start. So government measures. As you know, small and medium enterprises have contributed in the growth of Indian economy in terms of country's industrial production, exports, employment, etc. And central and state government are undertaking several policy measures and incentives, and also they are implementing schemes and programs for promotion and development of enterprises. Okay, so government has implemented some measures because small and medium enterprises have contributed in the growth of Indian economy. They they have contributed through industrial production, exports, they have increased the employment. So that's why central and state government are having some policy measures and incentives so that they can promote or they can develop those enterprises. So we'll see what are the measures are there. First is EDP, that is Entrepreneurship Development Program. So first of all, EDP, that is Entrepreneurship Development Program of various durations were organized on regular basis. So it was organized by various organizations like EDI and MSMEDI. So, EDI stands for Entrepreneurship Development Institutes, and MSMEDI stands for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Institutes. So, these the EDP, that is Entrepreneurship Development Programs, is organized by these organizations EDI and MSMEDI. Okay, so the uh, main motto of EDP is to create new entrepreneurs by cultivating their qualities. So they are going to create new entrepreneurs through these training programs. Then the next is skill development programs, that is SDPs, and ESDPs, that is entrepreneurship cum skill development programs. So these are also organized by various training institutions. After that, one scheme has been launched, that is Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana, RGUMY, who provides hand-holding support and assistance to the potential entrepreneurs who have completed their training. Okay, who have completed their training in the development programs. Okay, of EDP or SDP or ESDP, etc. And for those, they are providing hand holding support and assistance. Okay, and there is one agency like Udyami Mitras help in establishment and management of new enterprises, deals with various procedural and legal hurdles and completion of various formalities, or when you are having entrepreneurship, or when you are having your enterprise, it needs some procedure, or there are some legal hurdles or various formalities are there that you have to be prepared for that, or you have to follow that terms and conditions. So agencies like Udyami Mitras help in establishment and management of new enterprises. They deals with that various procedures, or legal hurdles or completion of that various formalities which are required to set up and run an enterprise. So these are some government measures. The next part is some other government measures for small and medium enterprises. So the first is the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has been implemented the important scheme, that is scheme of surveys, studies and policy research. Here, the main objective was to collect relevant data of various aspects of micro, small, medium enterprises. Means by using this scheme, you have to collect the relevant and reliable data related with micro, small and medium enterprises. Now you can collect this data by using various sources, primary sources, secondary sources or any other sources. You can collect that data, but the data should be regarding micro, small and medium enterprises who are engaged in manufacturing and service sector. Then after collecting the data, it has to be studied and analyzed, where we can find out opportunities as well as the challenges that has to be faced in the future. So this data is really very important in the organization. If you get the data by having the studies or by having the surveys, you will get the information about the market, you will get the information about the enterprises, then competition, then the available opportunity, where we can improve, where is the scope of improvement, or the challenges, what challenges we have to face in the future, etc. information you can analyze by using these data. Also this data can be used, or the surveys can be used for policy research and designing appropriate strategy. Now after analyzing that collected data, one can use this data for designing some strategies and for expanding the generation of sustainable employment by these types of data. So these are some other government measures for small and medium enterprise. Okay. So here I complete my video. I hope you understood the concept. This unit, that is role of central and state government promoting entrepreneurship, is somewhat lengthy topic, but it is easy. I am going to prepare video on all the topics, and I will uh, try to explain in easy language. I hope you understood this video. There are just, you have to remember some organizations which are organized various types of programs, then what type of programs was there, what type of schemes are there, that you have to remember. So in the next video we are going to learn some different topics basis on the role of central and state government in promoting entrepreneurship. So thank you so much.